Hi lovelies and welcome back to my channel. I'm doing another get ready with me, but I have some new makeup that I'm going to be testing out and using today. And I got this cute little guy right here by my side too. Look at him, isn't he just adorable? Oh my goodness. So you all don't need to see me beat my face like I normally do. I'm gonna do my same old foundation, concealer, powder, bronzing. I'm gonna do all of that how I normally do it, and then I'm going to play with the new collections from MAC. I got my hands on some of the new things from the Electric Wonder collection by MAC. First of all, can we just talk about how beautiful this packaging is? It's a girl's dream. At least it's this girl's dream. Like white, pink, gold, marble. I just love it. Now I'm gonna beat this face in super fast mode for you, and then we can get to dishing about my new stuff. Wow, that was like the fastest I've ever done my face. Now it's time to play with my new things from the Electric Wonder collection. This is the face palette. This baby is just gorgeous. So here are all the colors for you. I mean, they're just beautiful. They will make for some nice blushes, but I'm actually gonna play with some of these for my eye. The first color I'm gonna use to create today's look that hopefully is gonna turn out good is going to be the soft brown. These are all from MAC as well. I just put them in my own little palette. Now I'm going to play with the palette. I think I'm going to use the Wonder Who. It is the lightest one in this collection. I also have the eye blending brush. I really wanted the face brush, but they're already sold out. I think this color is gorgeous. So I'm gonna put that there, like right on the outer portion of my crease. This one is called Wonder Years. I'm using a small angle brush. This way it's just a little bit stiffer than what I used in the crease originally. That way like the pigment can stick, because I just want it in that certain area. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love it. This color is amazing. So I always love like the more like pinky red burgundy shades, and that is, yeah. I do want to go back in with the soft brown though. I want to like add a little bit in there just so it like blends a little bit better together. I want to go in right here on the middle of my lid. I want to use this shade right here, and this one is called Girl Wonder. I just need to complete the eye now so I actually don't look scary still with my mascara and eyeliner. So, okay, much better, right? Yes, like this is so much better now that I completed it with some eyeliner and mascara. Now I need to add some blush because I still kind of look like death. So I picked up this face blush, and this is Into Eternity. Now I want to say this is in between like a blush slash bronzer. I'm going to use actually two shades. I'm going to start out with this one, and I'm going to carry it right above where I already have my bronzer. I'm just going to go like right in there, but then for the apple on my cheek, I'm going to use a second shade. I really am enjoying these colors. I mean, this is the first time that I'm playing with them, so I'm like experimenting with y'all here. I want to add a little bit more highlight, but I'm going to go back in with the one that I used under my brow. I just want to get certain areas a little more shiny. Lastly, lastly, we cannot forget about a lippy. It's definitely more brown looking than what I thought it would be online. I'm actually going to line my lip first though in Soar. It's definitely more of a pinky shade. That way I can kind of like blend the brown and pink together. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of gloss from my Aladdin collection. This is the Jewels on Jewels. Okay, I think she just needed a little bit of gloss because I like it way better now. Looking for some more makeup inspiration? Check these videos out right here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. That way you see everything that I bring your way. And until next time, stay sweet sunshines.